Here we go. CNC Group break number 3432. We're going to start with the 13-14 Black Diamond and 11-12 SP Authentic. We start with an Ice Premier's rookie, number to 999 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Joakim Nordstrom. Base. We've got a quad diamond for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. And a Hardware Heroes, numbered 71 of 100 for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. Triple diamond for the Kings, Rogie Vachon. Triple diamond rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, Frank Corrado. Quad diamond rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Rasmus Ristolainen. Double diamond for the Senators, Erik Karlsson. Triple diamond rookie for the Anaheim Ducks, Igor Bobkov. Triple diamond rookie Ruby, number to 150 for the Nashville Predators, Seth Jones. Who? Seth Jones. And a triple diamond for the Wild, Nico Koivu. Quad diamond rookie for the Carolina Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm. Double diamond for the Predators, Pecorine. Base. Double diamond for the Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. Double diamond for the Sabres, Thomas Vanek. Double diamond for the Red Wings, Daniel Alfredson. Base. Triple diamond for the Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk, and a dual jersey for the Philadelphia Flyers, Scott Laughton. Double diamond for the Senators, Jason Spezza. Triple diamond rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Zach Redmond. Base. Triple diamond rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Johan Larsson. And a dual jersey for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel. Oh, damn it. I have such a good response to that one, and I can't say it. All right. On to the 11-12 SPA. All right, we start with an SP Essentials for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Rookie extended for the Predators, Ryan Ellis. Leland Irving for the Flames. Eddie Lack for the Canucks. Eric Gustafson for the Flyers. Hollow Effects for the Vancouver Canucks, Cody Hodgson. Hollow Effects for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Brett Connolly. Future Watch Rookie Auto to $9.99 for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Nash. Thomas Kubalik for the Jackets. Devontae Smith-Pelly for the Ducks. Blake Jeffron for the Canadiens. Future Watch Rookie to $9.99 for the Washington Capitals, Dmitry Orlov. Oh, that's all right. We've got a chirography autograph, number 32 of 50 for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. SP chirography auto out of 50. Very nice. Sign of the times for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Keith Ollie. We've got a Hollow Effects die cut for the Nashville Predators, Craig Smith. Base. Chad Rao for the Wild. Ryan Johansson for the Jackets. David Savard for the Jackets. Bracken Kearns for the Panthers. Future Watch Rookie to $9.99 for the New York Islanders, David Ulstrom. Jake Gardner for the Leafs. And SP Essentials for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry. All right, go to next. Draw prospects and contenders.